Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That pillows that remind me to remind you guys that on the YouTube platform, that's important. So if you can and you're enjoying my content, please take a second right underneath the video to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Today, I'm so excited. This came a little bit earlier than normal for the box by Fashionsta. I enjoy this box so much, and as you know, on my channel I do a lot of boxy charms and a lot of Ipsy. That's where my everything is. But this is a box that I took a gamble on when it first started. I think I got in when it was the second box, and it's always a little nerve-wracking when you go and try a box that you really don't know anything about the company or anything. But it was $19.99, and I figured the worst case scenario was $20. So I am so happy the decision that I made, because I have been with the box coming to me monthly since, like I said, the second box, and I have not been disappointed yet. What's great about this box is, number one, first of all, now it's $25, but what they did do is everybody that was with him, they gave the opportunity that if you stayed with them, you would then stay at the $19.99 price, which I've never heard of any company do. Usually when there's a price increase, there's a price increase. But for everybody who's looking at it today, and if this is something you want to do, it is $25 a month, and it's free shipping in the USA. And what's unique about this box is it seems to be geared more towards cruelty-free, vegan, those type of products. But he also deals a lot with brands that we would know, as well as introducing us to a lot of indie brands. So I have learned so much from a lot of the brands that he decides to put in the box, and the values are always fantastic as well. But this is a box, like I said, I always enjoy getting, and I always enjoy sharing it with you guys. So he does a card. There are always 6 full-size products in here. He always puts the total of the value on here, which is $173. And like I said, this is a $25 a month box. His packaging inside is beautiful. The only thing that he does is he puts these black crinkly papers in that sometimes the black comes off on some of the boxes. So all you have to do is take a cloth to wipe your boxes down, but everything comes in perfect condition, and that's what the crinklies end up doing. So let's get started, because the first item is one that I am so excited that if nobody's had the opportunity to try this product, it is fantastic. This is the one that came in his box. I checked, everything is in perfect condition, and I put it back exactly how it came. But I pulled out and I wore it today on my eyes, because this was a sneak peek that he shared on his Instagram of this palette that was gonna be in here. This is from the brand called Ace Beaute, and I got introduced to Ace Beaute from BoxyCharm years ago. But every time I've had the opportunity to get another product, be it in add-ons or anywhere from this brand, I was in shock that how much I fell in love with this brand. And I never heard about this brand before BoxyCharm. So the fact that this is now showing up in other boxes outside of the BoxyCharm world, I think is fantastic, because not everybody gets BoxyCharm. And if you just get the box, you're in for a real treat. This one is absolutely fantastic. I also have, I think, a code, True Wants, I'll leave it linked down below, that if you buy anything from their website, there is a discount. It has nothing, it's just something that he shared with me at the beginning, but it's there's been no money that's come either way. It's solely, I think, for you guys to be able to get a discount on his website. And his website is fantastic, and I think it's a 20% discount. But definitely try it if you're going to go on his website. I'm pretty sure it's still valid, but I've never tested it, so you'll be able to see that for yourself. So it's always good if you get a some sort of a code to try to get a discount on a website. So if it works, that is great. But his site is beyond beautiful, and if you haven't visited it, you should, because it is really pretty. He's also doing things now with points, which I haven't done either yet, that he's giving points that's going to equal dollars and things like that. So he's doing a lot of things that he's trying to improve on the box, which I think is absolutely fantastic. But these are the shades and this is a palette that I've had and I've used and I've loved, and it's still in the most pristine condition. And today, like I said, I used it on my eyes, and I used this in the center of my eye. I used this as all over. I used this as my transition shade. I darkened up my corner with this beautiful mulberry color, and then I darkened it up even more with the, I call it the milk chocolate brown, and then I lined my eyes a little bit with the deeper brown. And then this one here I wanted to play with, so I put it in the corner of my eyes. The colors on this are just scrumptious. It might scream fall, but I'm telling you, you can just stick with the area over here, and then you can use it like I am in the summertime. So like I said, these Ace Beaute palettes are beyond stunning. The formulas are fantastic. Like I said, I am so happy that if you haven't had the opportunity to try it, that it is in the box. And if you have, then you have a great gift to give to someone else. But I'm really impressed with this brand. And like I said, I own numerous of his palettes because when they showed up in add-ons or other choices, I always choose it because to me, every one is more beautiful than the next, and this one is stunning. So what is marked here about Ace Beaute? This is called the Vintage Dawn palette. This is a $35 value. It is a 12 highly pigmented, gorgeous shades that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises from around the world. It has perfect colors from sun-filled summer of beauty, and it is cruelty-free. The next one in here is from this brand called Cutie Oils. This is, it's called Cutie Oil Mia. They're saying this is a $22 value. It says, help restore brittle nails back to healthy, nourishing your cuticles and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. And this is also vegan and cruelty-free. And it is the cutest packaging. And everybody loves getting cuticle oils because they're just fantastic. Oh, usually the ones I use are a roller ball. So this is something really different. It has the a doe foot applicator to it. So this is really great. I've never had it, and I don't smell a scent to it at all, but this is the cutest packaging that I have ever seen for a cuticle oil. Really happy to get that. Okay, the next item in here is from the brand called LAvido, and this one I've also got introduced to through BoxyCharm, but this is a really nice brand, and it's a prestigious brand, and I think this one is made in Israel. This is made in Israel. This is called the Age Away Hydrating Cream. This is a $55 value, and it says balancing the skin's moisture levels improves the skin's texture and tone, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. And it is also vegan and cruelty-free, and this is the container it comes in. I've had an opportunity to try, and I'm gonna have to check in my arsenal before I open this guy up. This one has, I tried one of their face creams, so I'm gonna have to double check about it, but I really enjoyed it, and it was very moisturizing, and like I said, to get a brand from Israel, I think is absolutely fantastic. So really excited about that. The next one I'm really over the moon about because MakeupGeek has been on my wants list for a very long time, and I've been watching a couple of other girls that have been getting her mystery bags, and they are through the moon about her eyeshadows. So anything from MakeupGeek is like, she's one of also like the real OG of the beauty community, and she was one of the first ones to come up with her own brand as far as I know, and her name is Marlena, and she's really knowledgeable. So really happy to get something from her in this box. And this one is a purple eyeliner. They're saying this is only a $7 value, which is fantastic. And they're saying apply effortlessly with the velvety smooth applicator that lasts up to 8 hours and no sharpening ever needed. It is waterproof and transfer proof and also cruelty free. And the color of it looks like it is a purple shade. So, and the cap on it is a purple color. So I think that is absolutely fantastic as well. The next item is a product that I got introduced to from the box. And this is from the brand called Floss. And I also got this in, I think, an Allure box, as well as now in the BoxyCharm boxes. This is a really nice brand, and their lip products are really beautiful. The first product I had the opportunity to try of theirs was a gloss, And this one is called the Lip Advocate, and this is $18. And they're saying this is a sheer lip tint formula with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. You can use it alone for a soft wash of build-up color, or apply it all over your favorite lip product for a sheen. This is also vegan and cruelty-free. So I guess we don't have to worry about the color because they're saying it is a sheer formula. So excited about that. And then the last item that we got in the box is from this brand called Nuria. Brand new brand to me, which is why I love this box. This is Defend Skin Shielding Essence. It is a $36 value. It's formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defense, and it is vegan and cruelty-free. They also have a code in here for 20% off, which I will leave in the description box down below. So really excited about this. So this is Defend Your Skin Shield Essence. So we're gonna have to learn a little bit more about this, but this is what it looks like here. We're gonna do some of our swatches now because that was the last item. So let's do this here. Comes out like a gel texture, and it feels very much like a serum. It's not like a loose essence. So really, really excited to get that. So that has no scent to it either, which is really, really nice. So really excited to learn more about this brand. And it says it's a skin shielding essence with ginseng and carb found in Asia. Really, really excited about this. So I'm gonna do more research and see how I can add this into my regimen because I always love getting new products like that. All right, let's do a swatch of this and see what it looks like as a sheer, which is pretty sheer. And if we want to build it up, I'll do it right underneath it there. So there's one with one swipe, and then you can build her up. So don't be afraid of the color. You could put it as dark or as light as you want, but it feels very, very moisturizing. Really, really excited about that. Now let's do a swatch of the MakeupGeek. Yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous purple shade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is so nice. And it's so nice to, first of all, get something from her brand, but also not another black, you know, that would end up in the arsenal. Something like this is something that you will definitely use. And I think this will be gorgeous with the eyeshadow palette, which we will definitely swatch. All right, let's do some quick swatches of the one that's mine, and you will see what I mean. So we're going to do the first four on top. This one here is called Sun. This one here is called Daybreak. This one here is called Horizon and Gleam. And just see what I mean. They're just beautiful. That's what they look like here. And look how my fingers still have so much product on them. They go on beautifully. They work well together. They don't blend out. They don't disappear. They're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, I couldn't wait I knew this was going to be in this box, and when I saw that this was coming, and it ended up coming early, I was expecting it, the tracking wasn't moving, and then it gave me a date, and it came earlier than that date. So this one is called Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid, and Fade. And that's what that looks like there. Do you see how gorgeous these are? I cannot wait. If you haven't had, and if you have had the opportunity to play with this palette too, and you've been lucky like I have to be able to have it in your arsenal, it is one that I use. And the other one that is the companion to this is called Scarlet, I think. And I absolutely love that one too. Look at these colors. Oh, they are beyond, beyond. I should have used, if I knew, I would have put the khaki in my eye. But look how beautiful that is. Oh, beyond, beyond stunning. Had to swatch that for you guys. So that's everything that I received in the box for the month of June. So happy that it came early, because usually these boxes come like the last week of the month and I don't have the time to, you know, do what I want or play with any of the products, which now I will be able to, because a lot of my other boxes are late this month and yet the box is early. So as long as they arrive, that's all that matters to me. I am so, so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. This is a box, like I said, I got grandfathered in and paid $20 for this, but anyone new who's interested, the link is down below, so you'll be able to find it. The brand is called Fashionsta, and like I said, here, Fashionsta, and that's his website. And like I said, I have it linked. You just have to go further down in my description box I keep all of them in alphabetical order. If I get links, if I get discount codes, anything like that, I make sure to leave it in the description box in alphabetical order so you're able to find them. And that's everything that I have for you today. So happy this is here. So excited about every item that's in this box. Please share with me if you get the box or if this is a box that you find interesting as well. Share that in the comments with me. I would appreciate that so much. As always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, it is so important still during this time that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.